Hello and welcome to this MongoDB Studio 3D tutorial, right? So in my previous video, we discussed about how we can create the collections and how we can insert the multiple records, right? So you can see over here that we have created our collection that is name college, right? And in that college collections, we have inserted the multiple records, right? So you can just go over here and you can just observe the things, right? Our data is already over there. Okay. So now let me create a new one. So in this video, we are just going to uh, see how we can query the outputs, right? So in earlier, let's first of all check what is our current DB. So that is a MyDB, right? And so collections, right? So that are we are having college and all these collections, right? Okay. So let me clear this. So now we are going to find the records from our particular collections, right? So first of all, we are having a particular, you can say, so collections, okay, and db dot college dot find, okay. So this is our first method to query the documents. So earlier we have discussed about that. Now we are just going to use this query again, right? And here you can see that instead of find, I want to just find the first record. So you can see this find one method already is there with some criteria and the particular projections, right? So first of all, we are just putting some criteria. Based on that, we are fetching the record. So here you can see that our first record is this enrollment number 001 and John Doe, right? So it's a student name. Okay. So if I want to find only first record, okay, then I just need to write find one. So you can see that you will see whatever first record is in our database. So it is going to find that database. Okay. So this way you can find the one record on that, right? So now suppose if I want to find the records based on some criteria, okay, right? Suppose say for criteria having age, right? So here, suppose if I execute this and here you can see the ages are like 20, 22, 19, 21, 18, 23, 20, 21, right? So suppose say for example, if I want to find the particular student, first of all, I want to find the particular student. Suppose say instead of first record, I want to find the second. So Jan Smith, I want to find, right? So first check that how we can find that. And after that, we'll go for some criterions, right? So instead of that, find one, I just want to go to find and I'm just copy and pasting this particular number. So here you can see that you just need to put the condition that enrollment number 002, whose student I want to find, right? So I just going to select this and I'm going to execute that, right? So you can see I just need to find the second student. Okay. So now you can see we are just going to find these some records and each and everything. But now I want to put some criteria over here, right? So what criteria I want to put, right? So here I'm just going to put this as a first, you can see criteria that enrollment number equal to 2, right? Or you can see instead of this, I just going to put criteria like I want to go for the age now, age. So age is written like this and the colon. If I want to put the condition or criteria over here, then suppose first I'm going to for the dollar less than. So LT is there, LTE is there, and LT rem is there, right? So first of all, I'm going for the LT less than, right? And from here you can see we are having 20, 19, 18, or whatever number is there, right? So I just want to find less than 20, right? Less than 20. Okay. So this criteria just I'm going to put right now over here, right? And if I just click on that, so it will find the records based on the criteria. It's 19 and 18. Suppose I want to go for less than equal to, then I just need to change LT to LTE, and I just need to execute that. So you will find, so 20 records are there. So it is included the 20 also, right? Similarly, you can just go for greater than. So let me rewrite this again. Okay, so instead of LT, I just want to go for GT, right? And I'm going to execute this, right? So it's a greater than, you can see 20, right? Similarly, again, I just need to put the E, and you just go there. Okay, now I just go to execute this. Okay, so it is included 20, right? So this way you can just find that we are just having these particular things, right? So now suppose if I want to go for another condition, so you just need to practice over these particular conditions, right? So you will get the idea how it is going to be executed. Now not equal to 20, right? So I just go there and execute that, so it excluded that 20, right? So this way you can see that we are just having this particular criteria, and you can execute based on the particular criteria, right? So now just go for another example. Like suppose if I want to go for and or operators, right? So and operator is very easy over here, right? So you can just see that just db dot college dot, you can see I'm just going to put the find method, right? And I want to find the criteria. Based on that, I just want to put a first name, or you can say the student name is a Bob Johnson, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste that data over here. Okay, and the age, so separated by the comma, and the age is particular, whatever you can say, 19, right? So age is equals to 19, right? So over here, you can see that this comma is going to operate as an AND operator, right? So you can see this particular, both the conditions are true. The name is this particular Bob Johnson, and the age is 19, right? So it will find the particular record based on that. So both the condition must be true for this to be executed, right? Now let's say, for example, if I want to go for the OR condition. So for OR condition, you need to put something else, right? So like db dot college dot find, okay? And over here, to execute this OR condition, you need to put some criteria like this. So first of all, I'm just going to put the brackets over here, dollar symbol, and OR. So you can see this OR is there. Joins query clause with the logical OR, returns all the document that matches the conditions of the either clause, right? So you just put OR colon, and into bracket you just put the conditions like this. Okay, so I'm just going to put the condition same over here. The first name is like this, right? Or the age is like this, right? So you can see over here, this is our, let me, yes, okay, or age is 20, right? So the name is Bob Johnson, or age is 20, right? So let me execute this. So you can see that the name is Bob Johnson is also there, and the age 20, whose student has age 20 also there, right? So either or. So you can just go for that. So here you can see this or this. So both records are going to be generated. Okay, right? So this way you can just put the and or condition together, and you can just execute that, right? So again, suppose say for example, let me make this query complex little bit, right? So here we are just going to use our student name. So first of all, I need to put that over here, right? And instead of this, I just need to put the colon over here, then dollar or and colon, right? So now here I'm just going to put this criteria again. So age is 22, right? So our age is 19. Let me put this, right? So this integer, so I need to remove this. Okay, so let me execute this code. So you will find that the first name is John, and it will find that the age of John is 19 or 20. So 19 is matched. So it is going to return the record with the name Bob Johnson, and it has the age 19, right? So you can just query this kind of documents, guys, right? And you can put this as a record, right? So now one again thing I want to discuss over here. Suppose if I want to save all these queries, then I just need to go to that, and I just need to give a name Mongo queries. So it is going to save that. Now suppose in a new, I just need to load that. Then I just need to open that, right? So you can, this way you can have your queries with you guys, right? And you can just query your document like this with multiple operators. Thanks for watching, guys.